Good morning everyone. I hope you all are fit and fine. Today we will continue our chapter 4 simple equations exercise 4.2. If you have any doubt then ask me in chalk box. If you understood everything then write in comment with your name and section. Let's start exercise 4.2. Question number first. Given first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. In this question, firstly you have to write the steps for separating the variable and then find the value of variable. So here minus 1. So firstly we separate this one, we have to remove this one. So for removing this one, add 1 on both sides. जिस भी ऑपरेशन से आपको उसको रिमूव करना है, अगर यहाँ सपोज माइनस का साइन है तो आपको सेम नंबर को प्लस करना है, आपको अपोजिट ऑपरेशंस को यूज़ करना है. वी हैव 4 मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशंस: एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीज़न. तो यहाँ पर अगर माइनस का साइन है तो आपको ऐड करना है और सेम नंबर को. अगर सपोज प्लस का साइन होता तो हम यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्ट करते 1. सेम नंबर को आपको प्लस या माइनस करना है. तो हमने दोनों साइड, दिस साइड इज कॉल्ड लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड दिस साइड इज कॉल्ड राइट हैंड साइड. हमको दोनों साइड में a को प्लस 1 को प्लस करना है. सो x माइनस 1 प्लस 1, x माइनस 1 प्लस 1 इज इक्वल्स टू 0 प्लस 1. So this 1 and 1 cancel out. X is equals to 0 plus 1 is 1. So the value of variable is 1. वेरिएबल को सेपरेट करना मीन्स लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में सिर्फ वेरिएबल बचना चाहिए, बाकी सारे जितने भी नंबर्स हैं उनको आप राइट साइड में मूव करिए विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्टेप्स. डायरेक्ट नहीं करना, आपको स्टेप्स की हेल्प से करना है. नाउ द सेकेंड पार्ट, x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now the sign is positive. इसका अपोजिट है नेगेटिव साइन, मीन्स सब्ट्रैक्शन एंड द सेम नंबर. सो सब्ट्रैक्ट 1 from both sides. So x plus 1 minus 1 is equals to 0 minus 1. ये ऑपरेशन नेगेटिव साइन माइनस 1 मैंने दोनों साइड किया, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड. नाउ 1 and 1 कैंसिल आउट हेयर, सो x इज लेफ्ट हेयर एंड 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So this is the value of variable x equals to minus 1. Now f part, y minus 4 is equals to 4. So now add 4 on both sides. So minus 4 था, हमने दोनों साइड प्लस 4 किया है. So y minus 4 plus 4 is equals to 4 plus 4. So 4 and 4 cancel out, y is left over here and 4 plus 4 is 8. So the value of variable is equals to 8. Now h part, y plus 4 is equals to minus 4. So subtract 4 from both sides. So y plus 4 minus 4 is equals to minus 4 minus 4. So 4 and 4 cancel out. So y is left here and minus minus is plus. 4 plus 4 is 8. And we put the sign of negative. जो बड़ा नंबर है, जो बड़ा इंटीजर है, वी ऑलवेज पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ अ बिगर इंटीजर, बट हेयर बोथ द इंटीजर आर सेम. सो y is equals to minus 8. All parts are same, so remaining parts are your homework. Now question second. Give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the following equation. This question is same as the first question, but operations are changed here. In first question, operation are addition and subtraction, but in second question, operations, we have to use operations multiplication and division. So 3L is equals to 42. The sign between 3 and L is multiplication. So we divide 3 on both sides for separating the variable. So dividing both sides by 3. So 3L upon 3 is equals to 42 upon 3. And 3 cancel out. So only variable L is left over here, and this one is 14. So L is equals to 14. The value of variable is equals to 14. Now B part, B is B upon 2 is equals to 6. Now 2 is in divide. So for removing this 2, multiplied both sides by 2. So multiplying both sides by 2. So B upon 2 into 2 is equals to 6 into 2. So 2 and 2 cancel out. So B is left here, and 2 in 6 into 2 is 12. So the value of variable is 12. You can check your value, your answer also by putting the value of B is here. So B is 12, 12 upon 2 is 6. So if left hand side is equals to right hand side, then your answer is correct. So you can check your answer also. Same as is question number first. If you are checking your answer, then put the value of -1 here in left hand side. So -1 plus 1 is cancel out 0, which is equal to RHS. If left hand side is equals to right hand side, then your answer is correct. So you can check your answer also. Now D part, 4x is equals to 25. Same as the sign between 4 and x is multiplied sign. So for removing this 4, dividing both sides by 4. By 4. So 4x upon 4 is equals to 25 upon 4. So 4 and 4 cancel out. X is equals to 25 upon 4. Because 25 is not divisible by 4 completely. So this answer is in fraction. 25 upon 4. Now next part, F part, z upon 3 is equals to 5 upon 4. So this 3 is in divide. So for removing this 3, multiplying both sides by 3. So z upon 3 into 3 is equals to 5 upon 4 into 3. So 3 and 3 cancel out. Z is here, and 5 3s are 15. Numerator multiplied by numerator upon 4. So this is the answer. Now next part, 20t is equals to -10. So multiplied sign. So for removing this 20, dividing both sides by 20. So 20t upon 20 is equals to -10 upon 20. So 20 and 20 cancel out. T is left here, and -10 and 20 cancel out. 0 and 0, so -1 upon 2. If you put the value of t here, left hand side, t is equals to -1 upon 2, and 20 cancel by 2 is -10. Remaining part of this question are your homework. Now question third. Third is same as give the steps you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Question third is the combination of question first and second. Here we have to do two operations. So firstly remove this 2 from the left hand side. So for removing this 2, add 2 on both sides. So 3n minus 2 plus 2 is equals to 46 plus 2. So 2 and 2 cancel out. So 3n is equals to 48. Now the second operation, the sign between 3 and n is multiplied sign. For removing this 3, dividing by 3 on both sides. So 3n upon 3 is equals to 48 upon 3. So 3 and 3 cancel out. So n is equals to 16. Now C part. 20p upon 3 is equals to 40. So firstly remove this 3. So multiply by 3 on both sides. So 20p upon 3 into 3 is equals to 40 into 3. So this 3 and 3 cancel out. 20p is equals to 120. Now for removing this 20, dividing both sides by 20. So 20p upon 20 is equals to 120 upon 20. So 20 and 20 cancel out. P is equals to 0, 0 cancel. 2, 6 are 12. Now D part. D part is same as C part. So B and D part are your homework. इन क्वेश्चंस में आपको जो भी ऑपरेशन फाइंड करना हो, जो भी आपको यहाँ पे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में सपोज यहाँ अपॉन में 10 आ रहा है तो आपको 10 को रिमूव करना है. तो 10 को रिमूव करने के लिए आप 10 से दोनों साइड ऑपरेशंस करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. जस्ट अपोजिट, अगर सपोज डिवाइड में है तो आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई में है तो आप डिवाइड करेंगे, एडिशन में है तो आप सब्ट्रैक्शन यूज़ करेंगे और सब्ट्रैक्शन में है तो आप एडिशन करेंगे. जस्ट अपोजिट ऑपरेशंस. Now question number 4. Question number 4. Solve the following equations. Here no need to use the steps for solving this type of equations. So 10p is equals to 100. You can directly solve the equations. So P is equals to this 100. The 10 is in multiplied sign here. When it goes on right side, it become divide. So 0 and 0 cancel out. So P is equals to 10. A simple solution. No need to write steps. So next question, 10p plus 10 is equals to 100. So firstly this 10, 100, this 10 is in addition sign. When it goes on right side, it becomes negative sign. So 10p is equals to 90. And this p is equals to 90 upon this 10 is in divide. So p is equals to 9. 0 and 0 cancel out. So 9 is left over. Now the next, minus p upon 3 is equals to 5. So minus p is equals to 5 into 3, multiply. So minus p is equals to 15, p is equals to minus 15. Now G part, 3s plus 12 is equals to 0. So 3s is equals to, when it goes on right side, 0 minus 12, which is minus 12. So s is equals to minus 12 upon 3. This 3 goes on divide, denominator. S is equals to minus 4. Now 2q minus 6 is equals to 0. So 2q is equals to 0. This goes on right side, plus sign. So 2q is equals to 6. So q is equals to 6 upon 2. That is 3. Now L part, 2q is equals to 12. When it goes on right side, the sign will be changed, minus 6. So 2q is equals to 6 and q is equals to 6 upon 2. So q is equals to 3. You can check your answer also for putting the value of variable here, left hand side, like this. So left hand side of this question is 2q plus 6 and the value of q is 3. So put here. So 3 to the 6, solve according to the board mass. 6 plus 6 is equals to 12 and right hand side is also 12. 6 plus 6 is 12 and right side is also 12. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. That means your answer is correct. So you can check your answer also. So remaining part of this question is also your homework. Do your homework in your homework notebook. Thank you. Have a great day.